Good morning, good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu wa kutubuhu wa rasuluhu. How are you? আশা করি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন। The thing is that আমি এখন বিশেষ করে ফরেক্সের ব্যাপারে এই সমস্ত এইগুলো হচ্ছে ফরেক্সের সব বইগুলা, এই যে এইগুলা ফরেক্সের বই, এবং ওই যে এইখানে সিএফএ বই, খায়া, সিএমটি, STA, all books there. এবং I have been in Forex অনেক বছর from 1996, so especially I started about the CMT from the MTA, market technician, and also STA member, and I'm always starting in progress, and I attended about 100 courses with IG Index. I remember in 2001, 2, 3, 4, always I go to the IG Index in their office, in head office in Cannon Street, and I met many friends there. And the important they are so good people that before the class start they offer the evening sandwich and tea and coffee and juices, a lot of things there, almost a full dinner, and it is very high class sandwiches and everything, and different sandwiches. And one of the trainer, I forgot the name, but I saw he write some very good books on Forex, and I think he is now is not in IG Index, but he is now a technical analysis consultant. And I met many friends there. The thing is that now much advanced everything, but one thing, the MT4 and the MT5, that is very important. And also I remember long time, I was in few years I was a premium member, but not now. This is called Forex Street. And Forex Street, it is one of the very good groups where they regular making video. And one of the person, I forgot his name, he is from India, South India, and it was very good. Some Dr. Shankar or something. And also the Forex Street, and then another 2-3 websites groups, but Forex Street is number one. Forex Army, I think, another groups. So all these things talking is mainly about the technical analysis. But when I was in IG Index classes, there is some of the things about the very important basics and the theory of the financial world and the economy, which is related to fundamentals things, and also about the risk analysis and risk management. And most important, they are doing this psychology classes, and I attended a number of classes with active Activtrade. Originally, this company was from a gentleman from Spain, and then he opened in London branch, and I think they rapidly grow. Even they now have a branch in Brazil and other country, and this Activtrade organize more lavish their courses or the free classes. Even they attempt making some courses in a very five-star hotel and food free, and also drinks and everything, and I attended also many courses of the Fxcm. Normally they do yearly 2 or 3 times in a 5-star hotel, lavish foods and everything, and whole day they do seminar and conferences. I attended many, and it was very nice and very lavish and luxurious foods and everything, and also a very knowledge about the economics, world finance, what is going on Japan or China or America or India, and then conclusion how these things work in a charting technical analysis. So this is the technical analysis, not only technical analysis, but it also related with the fundamental things about the economy and the forecast, especially the forecast about what would be happen about the pound going on, or what is the going on in China about the next 2 years, 3 years, or Chinese demand about the cement or the petrol or crude oil or the what is called metals, all those things, and it is also indirectly related of the world's economics. So this Fxcm yearly courses, it start from early morning breakfast and finishing then heavy lunch, and then evening again the big foods and everything, and then evening tea, coffee, and also I attended many yearly forex exhibition in Queen Elizabeth Hall near to Westminster this every year, and it is also very good, about 3 days, and different hall and big hall, and some paid and maximum unpaid their seminars, and they participated from the American giants, all types of forex brokers there, and also many technical companies and many educationals, and also many training companies and some gurus, and that is very interesting. But the last year it wasn't happened. I didn't attend because of the coronavirus, and this year already 5th March gone. And then I remember I attended every year huge conferences in near to Alscott one hotel, that is also a regular, and there in 2000 about 2016, 17, 18, 19 I win with the competition about the sponsor was Alpari, and sponsor was Alpari America about this competition, and they gave the iPad latest one, and I owned an iPad. So Alpari, I attended many seminars in Alpari near to Liverpool Street, and there I attended, I enjoyed, and everything's there. But unfortunately, I think 3 years before, Alparigon in UK, Alparigon bankrupt, and then I have an account, and they're asking all those account details, and I think still they are going investigations, and still they will pay the people's or the traders money. But Alpari still in exist in America. And Alpari was very vigorous. The program in UK, they arrange a lot of seminars in Liverpool Street. They had a fish in London, and they also regular the hotel big training and big party and foods and everything. I enjoyed. Now all these things, it was free. It was free. But now only last year 2020 nothing happened. I always Google, and also this year, and also there was a seminar, not seminar, expo near to bank station. There is a big hall, I forgot this whole name. There also all over the world, all forex brokers companies, they come, including the mortgage companies. They also attend separate. There is a mortgage exhibitions about the financial things, about the property finance or the financial ladder. I'm myself a CMF mortgage broker from 2004, and I attended. And this year the government of United Kingdom, they did a big job, especially Rishi Sunak, Exchequer, and Prime Minister Boris Johnson, about that the first time buyer, they have not to pay the property tax up to 600,000 property price, and they can get also buy a property on 5% only deposit. So that is a good thing. So anyway, again I'm coming back to my forex things, where is my today's video talking now about the forex. The most world main professional body is called MTA, Market Technician Association in America, and it was formed some of the genius from the New York Stock Exchange. And one of the gentlemen, he is the founder, still alive. I met him about 6-7 years before, Ralph Amanoro or something, and he is the main founder. He is still alive, and he came in London, and I met him about 6-7. I have a picture with him also. And also there are some of the gurus. One of the John Bollinger. I met him also, Bollinger, who is the founder of the Bollinger Band. I met him. I have a picture also with the John Bollinger. And other some of the famous New York technical analysis people, they formed the MTA, and MTA provide the certificate, very tough. I attended their courses, but I still couldn't complete. It is very hard to pass the exam, and there the courses is so tough, and they have recognized about 20 books, and one of the books is very important if you who are here wanted to be a professional stock broker or the professional forex broker. You need to buy those books. One is this called Martin Spring, and Martin Spring wrote many books, and many of this, I think now Martin Spring, he has also a company from where they Prince consultant technician, and his daughter also doing, I think, but they're selling the books still, books in the libraries and also online books. There is a book here, Martin Prince, where is this? Anyway, it is here. So the most important thing about the technical analysis is simple, but it is a very complex things like these things. The starting beginning of the what is candles and how the candles behavior, what is charts, and what are the how the trends is going on. Then there is a channel, don't change selling and other things. And I little bit before I said they met the gentleman who is the founder of Bollinger Band, how the band is working, and then also some Japanese things there, and all those things, and these how the behavior of the candles or pattern. So it is all technical things when somebody study or somebody learn and somebody practice, and then with the some of the economical things and also the risk management, then somebody can properly defend against the giant corporations or the giant banks or hedge funds or giant financial institutional investors. I'm talking about the small person investor. I'm not talking about the institutional investor. They are the very, very big. They have experts and everything. They have a PhDs, doctorate, and they have these mathematicians, and some are expert in algorithm, and some are expert in all types of modern computers and everything. That is their different. They are very strong, and to compete with those people as a small broker, at least know about the clear point of the technical analysis, charts, candles and everything, movements and the economics and everything, and then there is a lot of way of trading. Some are day trader. I did some day trading many years, and some are also scalping. I remember I was doing this scalping. Just to these things, I put scalping different what is called this the monies, you know, the dollar versus pound or pound versus dollar and different currencies, and I have to put and is a very, and I put only 5 minutes chart, you know, and the 5 minutes just jumping, so it's like catch. So but it is a very risky because the many brokers want that the people do scalping, because more deal, more trade. Every scalping, every trade, the broker will get this, you know, the difference of this. Every trade deal done, you lose or win, but the broker they get the money. So I was doing is look like a quite interesting. Oh, this one I lost, this one I win, this one I lose, this one I lose. Scalping, you know, these things. Sometimes some hold the night because of the American times and the London times. So this is one kind of trading, very interesting. And second, some is a short term, maybe 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, you know. That is also calculation and everything. But the most important, some people, I did few about the payday, American payday. That is, these things is one swing go huge high, the next second is going down, next sometimes is like a sky, you know, the what is called electrifying like that. This is so fast going on, is go about, sometimes is about 1 hour, 2 hours, or even 10-15 minutes when the market is open, and then start, or market before the closing is start, like, you know. So this is also I have got an experience. I just tell you the very danger or very risky in the payday trade, because that day trade is not a normal trade. It can be do anything, even it's not that day is not that, oh, it's going up, it's going up, second down, down, up, down, is going few hours. So we don't know how this to manage, you know. And that is the most important. I did few times, and I really I did sometimes, you know, the tangle way, that some I put in a buy and some I put in a sale and see what is going on, you know. So that is this, I have an experience. And also some people's, one my friend, he do very good. I think he is doing very small but long time, he's 10-15 years, and he also now managing the people's money, and they do buy for the long time. They do, when they buy the share, they plan, they see, they research about the company, about the director, about the trend, everything, and then they buy share, and waiting maybe 6 months, 1 year, and then where they buy the currencies, they maybe buy the currency and waiting for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, that the currency may be up or something happened. So this is the another kind of investor, that is we called, you can say, the long time investor, you know. So that is also these things. Now the conclusion is that if you want to do trading, forex trading, then you should know about the technical analysis, and technical analysis means you should know about the charting, about the candles, and about the trend, about the channel, about the risk management, about the trading time, even, you know, about the trading even days, even that is also important, you know, because sometimes in the normally in the Monday and Friday the trade is very a little bit volatile than mid of the week, because on the Friday many traders want to just to deal done, or they just to go out. And same when the Monday when start, the trader are like a load of in a good spirit, and they do whatever these things. So that is also very important. Now about the trading books, there are hundreds of books. I can mention this book, this book, this book, this book, or this, but one book I always recommend, that is Martin Spring Technical Analysis Explained. That is very important, because they are the father of the technical analysis, and they are recommended by the MTA and CMT, and CMT courses syllabus from that Martin Spring Technical Analysis Explained. Anyway, so I will make more video about the technical analysis. I will speak about the how the MT4 is work, or the how the candle work, or the how the charts works, and that is slowly I will speak about. and because this technical analysis is just not the technical analysis. Total everything has to know about that what is technical analysis, how is related to the economy, or how is related to the fundamentals, and how is the fact about the economics influenced by these others things. So I will make more video, but please you subscribe and like and share button, or more encourage to your friends and your families or relatives. Everybody like it, share it, then you will get a first, if you there is a bell button. So when you bell button subscribe, then when I make a new video, you can get information fast, and also the most helpful to you. Also, I'm talking about the I'll talk about the more technical analysis in details, how it work and how everything work. But please you subscribe, like, share, and also tell your friends to subscribe, or make a group of to watch my video. And this is what I'm requesting you, and I will make more video. And thank you very much.